Welcome back to the channel. So it is not looking good for crypto. Bitcoin's crashing, Ethereum's crashing, and all altcoins are going down. This video, we're going to take a deep dive into why I think the market is crashing, and I'm going to give you some evidence to support my reasons and my theories. But before we do so, please make sure to subscribe to the channel if you are new. Also, remember, everything we offer here is just information and education and entertainment purposes for you so that you can do your own research. We do not offer financial advice. This is Study Crypto, where we bring you all things crypto. We simplify crypto for all investors. If you are new, subscribe. And if you like this content, please give this video a thumbs up, as it really helps out our algorithm. Okay, at the time of recording of this video, oh man, the market is not looking good at all. Bitcoin is down to 27,381. Ethereum is down to 1,439. As you look, it's just nothing but a sea of red, a couple of greens, but it is mostly red. And the day started off pretty decent. Bitcoin actually was around 29,000, but it just shot down. The whole market is going down. Things are not looking too good. There happens to be some theory. A lot of people just happen to believe that it's just the whole Terra fiasco with the whole depegging of Terra Luna, that is the reason why the crypto market is down. But I happen to believe there's much more behind it, and let's get right into it right now. First things first, the crypto market crash, Bitcoin, tech, and stocks. So I happen to believe that Bitcoin has a direct correlation with tech stocks, and the reason why I say that is because if you've been looking at the market as of recently, tech and Bitcoin have been trading pretty much the same exact way. There has been a lot of mass adoption of Bitcoin. What that means is there's a lot of corporations that have been invested into Bitcoin, and right now all markets are pretty much down. If you look at tech stocks are taking a huge hit right now. Tech stocks are just really not surviving right now. They are really dumping, and I feel like because of the correlation between Bitcoin and the actual stock market, that obviously the stock market has been affected by the CPI report. The report has been really eye-opening, and we all knew that inflation was here. I know the Fed's constantly been saying that inflation is not here, but the report came back really negative. So the whole stock market has been dumping, and that reason, I also feel like that is the reason as to why Bitcoin has been dumping as well. Let's look right here into an article by CNBC. The S&P has just been going down and down. The May Consumer Price Index report came in at its highest level since 1981, putting pressure on the stock market. The report showed prices rising 8.6% year over year and 6% when excluding food and energy prices. Economists surveyed by the Dow Jones were expecting year over year to increase of 8.3% for the main index and 5.9% for the core index. So as we can see right now, things are not looking good at all. There's a lot of corporations recently that have been involved and been invested in crypto. The good thing is that these corporations, some of them do believe in crypto, some of them don't believe in crypto. But some of that money is just additional volatile money that they could use on assets such as crypto. But right now that a lot of these corporations are also tightening up, I'm assuming that a lot of the sales pressure is coming from them because they're pretty much investing in more safer assets, because they do see crypto as something as volatile that they just probably don't want to be involved in, which again, you know, there's a lot of market conditions right now that are contributing to this whole entire crash. So crypto crash number 2, be careful, Terra Luna fiasco. The Terra Luna fiasco, it lost its peg and the value just pretty much went down. SEC has been investigating Do Kwon. This has been causing a lot of sell pressure. Of course, this contributed to the market being down, but this only was not the main reason as to why the market crashed. In fact, there is an article that was just recently done by Chain Analysis that discusses that the whole market went down, but it wasn't necessarily just because of the whole Terra UST collapse. That wasn't the main factor. This article seems to talk and contribute back to the reason that I stated that the whole market is also pretty much correlated with tech stocks, and because a lot of the tech stocks have been taking a hit, Bitcoin and overall just the crypto market has also been taking a hit as well. However, of course, the plummet of, Terra Luna, of course, did have a lot to do with it, because a lot of individuals may have lost a lot of faith in the Bitcoin market. Well, the crypto market, not just Bitcoin. A lot of individuals already feel like crypto is a scam. So I would assume this caused a lot of sales pressure to think that there's something that has that one-to-one peg that is super secure. And then you just happen to lose a lot of money, because a lot of people lost a lot of money. So that is not a good look. I also think mixed with this, the whole SEC getting involved is going to be something that will also affect the crypto market, because of course a lot of regulations may come out of it, but that is something that is coming down the line in the future. However, I do think a lot of this is contributing right now to a lot of the sell pressure that has been going on. So crypto crash number 3, the Feds lied to us. Inflation is here. Inflation looks like it's here to stay. And the world markets are just down. The Feds lie about inflation. We constantly saw over and over that the Fed said inflation, they use that key word, is transitory. Inflation is not transitory. Inflation is here and you can see it. Just go to the supermarket. Just buy some eggs. Go to the gas station and look how ridiculous those prices are. So inflation looks like it is here to stay. Interest rates are rising. I mean, the Fed has came out multiple times and stated that they will be increasing interest rate. Of course, this is going to cause a lot of sell pressure. Consumers are the ones that essentially are affected. Us, the little guys, we are the ones that are affected, because loans are going to get more expensive. Homes are going to get pretty much probably affected, and actually they're probably going to get lower, but in essence they're going to get more expensive, because now if you have a much higher interest rate, even if that house price was to go down, because that interest rate is higher, you essentially will be paying more. Everything is going to be affected. Everything has been affected as of recent. So of course, because of that, because of what's going on across the whole entire world, the crypto market has been going down. So we are constantly seeing it. My best advice for everyone out there is this is a great time to learn. This is a great time to sit back, and also is going to be a great wealth opportunity transfer. If you did not get into Bitcoin, if you did not get into Ethereum, these are great times to just sit back on the sideline, save up some money and try to get into it, or probably that token or that altcoin that you see has some value. These are perfect times to sit back, research them and go into them. I do believe that a lot of coins will come out of this. A lot of projects will come out of this. However, I feel like the ones that offer value and utility are going to be the most successful. Same thing with the stock market. I feel like a lot of companies that are offering value and utility will survive this storm, this bear market. So this is a perfect time to sit back, collect your coins, save your money, and invest if you want to, or invest if there's something that you feel strong about, because it is a great buying opportunity. Once everything is low and everything is crashing, that's the perfect time for you to say, hey, now I can build my wealth. So there you have it. This is Study Crypto. Just a quick video, just trying to offer a little bit of hope out here in this whole sea of red. Please stay strong, and also please make sure to do your own research. Thank you, and see you next time.